You have now sewn the outer seam of your pant legs. Iron seam allowance apart. Sew the inner leg seams of both legs. Now turn one pant leg right side out and push the leg pieces into each other so that the right sides of the fabric are on top of each other. Pin the center front seam to the inner leg seam. The inner leg seams meet exactly in the middle. Sew the center seam, securing seam ends. Press seam allowance apart. You now have a full pair of pants. Next, we'll tackle the waistband and the hem. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can find our sewing patterns in our shop at SisterMAGPatterns.com or check out our Instagram and Pinterest.